Hi guys, welcome to another analysis of the batteries, the lithium batteries, the modern batteries for RVs, for boats, for hybrid and electric vehicles. The $1,000,000 question is, where can I find a good battery that stores the maximum amount of amps for both purposes, for cranking and for deep cycle, for the house and for the propulsion system in my vehicle? Well, this is the $1,000,000 question, and in the market today there are a lot of batteries, good batteries. All of them are growing. The research department of those companies are working hard, investigating and creating new products every day. I discovered recently those batteries, Thunder Sky Winston batteries, wonderful batteries, and I discovered that those batteries are, in my opinion, magic batteries. I analyze, number one, these individual cells. Each cell have the ability to store us from 50 amps, one of those, until 10,000 amps. Let me show you something about the characteristics of those individual cells. Of course, you can organize the cells in series or parallel to create like this. This is a 12 volts. This is a 12-volt battery. But now we are going to talk in details about that. Look at the basic information about those batteries. The positive terminal, the anode, is based on water, and it's basically a combination of lithium with fluorine and other rare metals. This is the anode. However, the negative electrode is a substance made of nanocarbon fiber, and artificial graphite. However, that structure is strong. It's based on water. This is why it's not explosive. It's not dangerous, this type of batteries. Okay, this is the cells, and you will find those cells from 50 amps, 60 amps, 90 amps, 100 amps, 160, 200, 260, 300 amps, each cell. 400 amps, this is the cell that I have. 400 amps, 3.3 volts. 700 amps, 1,000 amps, and 10,000 amps. This is incredible, but this one is 10,000 amps. One cell with a 3.3 volts and 10,000 amps. Incredible. Internally, what happened with those batteries? Those batteries have a completely charged, those cells, 2.8 volts, fully charged, 3.8 volts. The weight is around 14 kilograms, this one, 400 amps. And the cycle life is more than 7,000 times you can charge and discharge completely those cells. More than 7,000 for this specific cell, 400 amps, 3.3 volts. Incredible, excellent. The performance is magnificent. Can you imagine if I configure those batteries in 12 volts like this? Of course, the weight of this battery in comparison with the cranking battery is 4 times. Remember, the weight of each of those is 15 kilograms. Yeah, it's 15 kilograms. This is 4 times the weight of this. But the dimension is 11, and 18. 18, 11. Excellent. You can configure a group of batteries. For example, the group that I am creating is four groups of this to get 48 volts, 400 amps. That's incredible. That's incredible, the amount of amps that you can store us with those type of batteries for your RV, for your boat. And now we are going to talk about the cranking system. The cranking batteries, those batteries, they are coming from 50 amps until 100 amps, 12.8 volts, this type of batteries. We checked a couple of weeks ago those batteries. Excellent performance, good performance. Those batteries are lighter in comparison with a traditional cranking batteries. Hey, my friends, you have a great product. Please visit the website of Wisdom Batteries and check the characteristics of those batteries and try to configure a good battery bank for your boat, for your RV, for your car.